1 year. No bread, no fruit, not even a single pea. What happened to my brain, my labs, and my life? This is the shocking truth about going zero carb for 365 days. Welcome to CleanCarnivore, where truth and health is simple and clean. Every video is grounded in research, written for this channel, and enhanced with visuals that make the message clear. AI supports the images, but the message is fully human. If you enjoy this content, please smash the like button. Click subscribe now and ding the bell so you won't miss any coming attractions.
It really helps spread the message to those who need it and want it.
I burned 101 pounds eating nothing but meat. And today, I'm revealing exactly what happened after cutting out every carb for an entire year. The wins, the costs, and what I learned. The wins: joint pain gone, brain fog destroyed, 101 pounds lost and labs elite, insulin and CRP down. But there were costs. Around month 9, it got socially awkward. I was living in the Philippines, lunch and rice served at every meal after church. I either packed my own food or scrutinized every food choice for the least damage. This caused gut and digestive trouble. Over-the-counter meds minimized the effects. Some days were worse than others. Would you ever go zero carb for a year? Drop your answer below. And if you want the playbook that made this possible, grab my free carnivore starter pack, link in the description.